Hello everyone, this is Coach Connie Osorio, and if you're new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video if you find it useful. Today, we're gonna learn how to use our NeuraCash for bills payment. And for the next slide, let's know kung ano ba talaga ang NeuraCash. So what is NeuraCash? If you will see our exclusive benefit number 39, kasama doon sa ating portal ang NeuraCash. It is an e-wallet facility exclusive for IMG members. Dito natin nare-receive ang ating IMG commissions. We can transfer funds. Just make sure that you have submitted your bank certificate to our admin so that they can verify our account. And then we can also pay bills through the kiosk instantly. So dito natin makikita sa video na to that it is really instant. That when you pay for the bills or any other transactions here in IMG, instantly makikredit na kagad ito. So again, you can pay your Kaiser, your Most 18, top up on Soldivo funds and other IMG transactions. Okay, so let's start. For us to start with the NeuraCash, you need to log into our portal. Again, that's our img-corp.net. All you need to do is to supply or input your user ID, and that is your member code, and then the password, and then click the login button. Okay? And then, mafu-forward tayo sa ating napakagandang portal. All you need to do is to go to my dashboard. Ayan po yan. Just below the banner. And then, view your NeuraCash balance. Usually, nag-email po talaga sa atin si IMG para malaman natin or to notify us that there was a credited commission already in our NeuraCash. So, since naka-receive tayo ng ganong email, all you need to do is to view the balance of your NeuraCash. Click that button and then you will be forwarded to this page saying you need to download the app. Just click the download app and then ayan na yung page natin. Just make sure you already register or set up your account. Dito po sa red button, kailangan nakapag-register kayo ng inyong email and at the same time the password to set up your NeuraCash account. Now, after doing that, pwede na kayong mag-login. Just click the login button. Okay? So kung ano yung sinupply nyo doon sa registration nyo na email, you input that same email here and same password here. And then after that, click the login button. Then you will be forwarded to the portal of NeuraCash. This environment will let you view the available balance on your account. So nung excited kang nakita na meron ng available balance for your first IMG commission for this year, that's the moment you can use it for bank balance transfer. Okay? Just make sure again that you already have forwarded your bank certificate to our admin. So in my case, I'm still waiting for that verification. So hindi pa ako fully verified. That's why for this illustration, for this video, we will be using this available balance sa ating bills payment. Okay? So ang gagawin lang natin is go to the kiosk 2. Ayan po yung ating kiosk 2. And then for the purpose of illustration, since nakita ko and my husband informed me that he was not yet already renewed sa accreditation. Anyway, ganito po yan. Kapag magre-renew tayo, anytime pwede. But, para continuous po talaga yung ating pag-enjoy ng mga benefits natin, it is a very good attitude to renew your accreditation before the start of the next year. So, dapat before December 31, 2020, nakapag-renew na kayo. So, dapat po talaga ganon. So, ngayon po, since nakita ko na hindi pa siya renew and I have assumed na instantly magagawa talaga natin sa NeuraCash bills payment, ginawa ko po na i-renew siya. So, I just click the accreditation renewal, okay? And then, of course, coverage is 2021. We will input the agent code, okay? Kung sino man yung i-renew natin using that NeuraCash account. And then, ayan, lumabas na yung information. Just select the searched info. Okay, in my case, kiniklik ko uli yung search button. So, click the search button once again para lumabas talaga yung amount ng inyong babayaran. And that's the moment you click the next button, you will be forwarded to this page. Here in this page, you will input your email address. Okay, email address nung mismong may first name and last name or yung may-ari ng account, and then select the NeuroCash. So nakaka-excite na kasama na sa ating payment option dito sa kiosk to yung NeuroCash bills payment option. Just click that, and then always, and it's very important to read carefully all the instructions. You will be forwarded in this page. I-click nyo lang po or i-check nyo lang yung mga boxes after reading that statement or those statement carefully. Sabi dyan, I understand that I should not only use this ePay reference number once and cannot use again in another payment transaction. So, ano lang po, isang beses lang natin gagamitin yung reference number. At sabi sa pangalawa, I understand that I should check and I should make sure that all the information I will supply in my NeuroCash bills payment form are correct at all times. So, bawal po talagang magkamali. Just make sure na tama lahat ng i-input nyo. And lastly, I further understand that in the event that I made a mistake in encoding any of the information in my NeuroCash bills payment form, it will cause a delay in processing my transaction and it will require me to pay a reprocessing fee. So again, bawal po talagang magkamali. Otherwise, ayan, magtatagal talaga, magkakaroon ng delay sa transaction at magbabayad pa tayo ng reprocessing fee pag may mistake. Now, after understanding and clicking all those checkboxes, just hit the submit button and ma-view na natin yung form na ito. So just like dun sa Palawan Express form natin, makakakita or bills payment form sa BDO, katulad din po nun, makakakita kayo ng ganitong payment instruction. So sa ating NeuroCash bills payment, kailangan natin ang 4 na information na ito. The biller name, subscriber number, that's the reference number, and the amount. Also, read carefully the steps. Ito po yun. Kailangan daw, step 1, mag-login ka uli sa NeuroCash account mo. Binigay na sa atin dito yung hyperlink. And then once naka-login na daw, kailangan pumunta tayo sa bills payment, click the plus button, and then choose International Marketing Group in the drop-down under biller name. And then kailangan ipasok yung amount and the subscriber name and the subscriber number, saka natin isi-send. So, all you need to do is to follow carefully those instructions and just make sure na gawin nyo kagad siya kasi may deadline po yan. Ayan, on this case, January 12. But I have performed or pay it right away. So, ang ginawa ko after viewing that, bukod sa in-screenshot ko siya, I just stay in that window, nag-open lang ako ng another window to open the NeuroCash or click this button para ika-copy-paste ko para wala talagang mali, especially dun sa reference number. Okay? And then important reminders, meron po yan sa baba na ganyan. You pay the exact amount. Tapos sabi sa number 2, if you're paying for more than one account or for multiple ePay.ph reference numbers, ang kailangan nyo daw gawin, you have to pay separately for each reference number. Do not combine. Huwag daw pong pagsasamahin sa iisang bills payment transaction pag magkaiba ng reference number. In this case, isa lang siya. So, isa lang ding bills payment transaction. At ang maganda nito, ayan ang good news. Katulad ng BDO bills payment at Palawan Express pero padala na payment option, there is no need for you to upload your proof of remittance in our portal or kiosk. Sabi nga dyan, yung report coming from NeuroCash will be simply uploaded in our system and the payments will be auto-posted. Ang galing, ano? As long as you follow correctly the instructions and you provided the correct folio number or reference number. So, ayan, pag daw po in-upload natin, pag makulit pa rin tayo, in-upload pa rin natin, it will just complicate the IMG processing. So please do not upload unless you are requested by IMG office. Just follow this instruction. Now, napaka-importante po nito. For example po, talagang hindi na iwasan, nagkamali ka pa rin. Sabi po sa number 4, if you made a short payment by mistake, Do not try to correct it by making another bills payment transaction with the same reference number. Huwag pong uulitin. Ayan. Ang sabi po dito sa number 5, in case you made a mistake in transacting your payment, please contact us immediately so we can give you the instructions on what to do next. Ayan. Ang makakasolve lang po talaga is yung support natin. So you need to forward your concern to our support at img-corp.com or create a ticket from our portal para matulungan tayo ng ating support team. Okay? So since maliwanag na sa atin kung ano ang ating gagawin, let's go ahead and go back to our NeuroCash. So log back into your NeuroCash environment or portal and then go to bills payment. Ayan. So makakakita tayo ng plus sign just like dun sa instruction sa atin. Just click the plus sign dun sa upper right corner. And then magiging minus sign na po siya. Starting from the biller name, input the necessary info to pay your transaction starting from the biller name. Once you click that, mafo-forward po tayo or makakakita tayo ng ganitong drop-down. So just select the International Marketing Group for the biller name. Ayan, automatically maa-add siya doon sa biller name text box. And then you need to input the other information based from kiosk to form. In my case, just go back to that window sa form na binigay ni kiosk 2, copy-paste para hindi na talaga magkamali kesa yung manual pa. So just copy-paste every information there and then click the send button. Nung na-send na siya, makakakita kayo ng ganitong notification message. Just click the OK button to confirm your details. So, biller ID natin yung 1 kasi isa pa lang talaga yung option. And then yung subscriber name, just look at it and then subscriber number, yung reference number mismo, at yung amount. Just click the OK button, okay? And then, magre-refresh siya at lalabas yung mismong dialog box that ask us to enter the OTP or the one-time PIN sent to your email. Pakita ko na po yung screenshot nung na-receive kong email. Okay, ayan. So, naka-hide lang yung mismong PIN. Yung mismong PIN na yon, just copy and paste that here in the text box and then click the OK button. So, kitang-kita natin how secured NeuroCash is. That is actually one of the features that is best for e-wallet facility like NeuroCash. Okay, so ayan. Pagkatapos niya, nung nasupply na natin yung OTP, if you will look at the bottom, ayan, yung mismong dashboard sa ilalim, makikita natin yung ginawa nating transaction. You can also check that from the transaction menu. So, ayan, makikita natin at makikita nyo na rin lahat ng transaction. Ayan, katulad nung na-receive na money, kay tinakpan ko na kung magkano. Ayan, and of course, makikita nyo na minus na dun sa running balance, or I mean not the running balance, but yung available balance, and then maglalabas na siya ng running balance, of course. So, since nakita natin dun sa instruction that we will wait for 3 to 5 business days or working days para makredit siya, I always look at it every hour. So, just to make sure how instant the NeuroCash facility is. So, ang ginawa ko after that, I log out, but napunan natin or na-notice natin na yung 1,500 has 85 excess. So I assume na merong charges or fee yung transaction na ginawa ko. So still, I am not sure of that. Pero tinake note ko siya. And then I try to go back in every hour para malaman ko kung anong mga changes. Okay? So after, ito na yung nakakatuwa dyan, after less than 3 hours, I log back in my NeuroCash. Okay? And then nakita ko, nagbago na yung balance. Kasi kanina, nung kahit meron ng transaction, when you check the available balance, it's still the same. So, hindi pa talaga na-credit. Ngayon, nung bumalik ako after less than 3 hours, nagbago na yung available balance ko. So, what I did is to go back or go to the transactions menu. And then, ayun, nakita ko na credit na talaga siya, and ang nakaka-surprise pa po, yung adjustment. Yung 85 pesos excess, binalik ni NeuroCash doon sa account ko. So I'm not sure if it's really a charge or a fee or it's a mistake, but the most important thing is that it was credited back to my account. So nakakatuwa. Tapos nung na-excite ako kasi na-credit na siya, I am assuming again na renewed na yung accreditation ng spouse ko. So what I did is to ask my husband to log in to his portal, and that's it. We have seen that it's already updated to 12/31/2021. Ang galing. Less than 3 hours. I'm not so sure about the entire duration, but I checked it less than 3 hours, and that's how instant NeuraCash bills payment is. And that's it. So that's how to use the NeuraCash for bills payment. We will be uploading other videos for other bills payment facilities once it is already available on our NeuraCash system. Okay, so again, this is Coach Connie Osorio, and I'm saying that this is a very good facility, and this is a very beautiful benefit of being an IMG member. So God bless everybody, and enjoy your NeuraCash. Bye.